Cars and Coffee, but first we're gonna go hang out with Blake real quick to do some quick night pictures. And we're gonna be testing out some new night settings on my camera. We'll get some pictures and some good video there before we head over to the Cars and Coffee. I'm just hoping it doesn't get rained out. Just doing a little bit of nighttime, well, early morning driving for y'all. Top up this time because with Texas, you have no idea whether or not it's going to rain in the next 5 minutes or so. But guys, let me know how your day is going in the comments below. Let me know if you went to Cars and Coffee San Antonio, and I'll probably see a lot of y'all there today. And again, they're actually starting Cars and Coffee 30 minutes earlier because basically they got mobbed with like 2,000 plus cars. I'm actually having to duck my head here to even see the lights here, especially with that top up. But in theory, we will be seeing Blake here momentarily. Got the mall cops out. But it is quiet this morning, that's for sure. We're gonna get our nose lift back up because we're gonna be encountering some speed bumps very shortly. Could use some palladium shots too, actually. Good morning, giant truck. Our nose lift coming in handy as always. But I'm just gonna park here so we can see if Blake's gonna actually show up on time or not. So we're gonna hop out. Of course, we got the HEB sparkling water because we know we're gonna get thirsty with Cars and Coffee. But let's see if Blake pulls up. Oh, that's not bad. Let's see how close I was to the curb. Oh, we're fine. Of course, we've got the brand new neutral density filter that we're gonna take off for this because we're gonna need it later. Yeah, that's actually kind of cool. Ah, there he is. The man, the myth, the legend, Blake Reese. Look at that! Look at that! Yes, well, it's actually a DJI Action.
I just saw you.
Yeah? You probably did.
She said she saw a Rosa Corsa Lamborghini.
Wow. Yeah, it does look kind of red. Uh-oh. You ready to go?
I am.
All right. I'm gonna follow y'all. Small turning radius. Come on, LDVI. Do I risk it? No, I'm not gonna risk it. I'm not gonna risk it for the biscuit. They're being so nice, waiting for my slow ass. He's got the Subi Rumble. And then there's the Mustang Rumble. Classic. So there you can see the line is already coming out here, which is pretty damn crazy. Wow, yeah, see that line is already out there.
You're good, thank you.
Thank you. All right. Nice and early to Cars and Coffee, so a little behind the scenes for y'all. I reckon we'll be first in exotics again. Got the coffee station set up. Good morning, young photographers. I don't know what your ats are, but I'm sure I'll find out eventually. All right, I'm headed to my enclosure.
Shh, don't bother me. I'm having enrichment time in my enclosure.
Got that Audi R8 there. That's a beautiful R8 too. But we're gonna park real quick, and then we're gonna go hop out and help Monsieur Blake set up. But it is a nice early San Antonio morning. And let's go help Blake. With the help, of course, our handy dandy HEB unsweetened sparkling water. Oh man, they're killing it today. All right, guys, once again, first in the exotic section at Cars and Coffee this morning. We're early, 6:30, well, 6:15 now, but we're gonna go help Blake set up, and we're gonna get some more video for y'all. Stay tuned. He's trying to fit the roof box under it. Yeah, you're good, you're good. Now that's a Ferrari, folks. That's beautiful. The Ferrari Rumble, that's right. Ferrari official.
Nothing says Ferrari like a broken JDM style bumper. The zip tie fell off.
Hey man, you're pretty much the star of the Cars Please YouTube channel anyway, so I mean, this is pretty incredible.
So stupid.
We're real early, folks. We're real early.
Cold start.
Yeah, cold start, except not cold, but whatever, it's fine.
This is what a Subaru that's low on oil sounds like.
Oh, that's beautiful. Sheesh. We got the Mopar over there. But let's hop into some super sexy B-roll.
Drives like a Ferrari.
I would think so. I would hope so. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed videos like this, make sure you subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot more POV driving and cars and coffee videos for you, of course. And let's see how this sounds. Thanks for watching, everybody.